By now you have a solid spreadsheet of products that are relevant to your audience. At this point, it's tempting to start making content for all of them, but as I said before, that's a big mistake because you'll end up having a lot of mediocre content for a lot of products, rather than amazing content for one product. Quality over quantity is key to building your audience, and small amounts of amazing content will trump large amounts of average content any day. Instead, it's time to pick a hero product, the first product you choose that you will make content for. Later, you can check out our supplementary resources page in the video description for more detail about how to write amazing content, but for now we need to narrow down your list to just one product. Be sure to keep the rest of your list around though. Once you're ready to move on to another product to produce content for, you can use it to pick another product. With the list you now have, let's now step through narrowing it down to your one hero product. For each product in your list, note whether you've used it personally, whether you've heard about it, or whether you've never heard about it before. Now, look at the products you've used before, and for each one, note down whether it helps your audience achieve their why. There's a very clear transformation between before using it and after using it. And does it help them with their next step towards their goal? For the products where you've answered yes for all three of those above prompts, plus you've used them before, they are great candidates for your hero product. If you have more than one, pick one using any means you can think of, even a coin flip. If you haven't used any of the products that fit these prompts, I highly recommend that you go and use them. I will note, however, that you may not necessarily need to purchase them, as there's every chance that the brand will send out review units for free if you were to contact them and explain that you were writing a review about them. Check out the email script you can use as a template in the supplementary resources linked in the video description. Now here's a top tip. Feel free to use that spreadsheet muscle you might have to make this list pretty. As mentioned previously, you will be coming back to it again and again to pick your next product. So make life easier for yourself by setting it up so that it easily surfaces the products that meet our criteria. For example, you can use conditional formatting to mark yes responses as green and no responses as red, making it easier to pick out the products that are ideal candidates. Check out the Excel tutorial we have linked in the description if it's been a while since that muscle last got a workout. Okay, so now we've finally got a hero product. The next few videos will be the fun bit, where we go through the process of actually setting up your site and your Amazon Associates account. See you there.